What's up, traders? This is Marco. We have another Sunday. That means we have a new weekly preview. And what you can see here is the ES daily chart. This downtrend here pretty much starts from December last year, because we had a touch here, but you cannot see it anymore. We had a confirmation here, another confirmation here, and a couple of bounces here, here, and here. What's interesting, you can see here this uptrend working higher. We had a break and retest of the lows, but with bigger structures, you will see it sometimes that this tiny retest here is not enough. So prices were pushing lower, forming some congestion here, and now are retesting the highs of this uptrend channel here. What's special, and this happened for the very first time since last year in January, prices managed to break above the resistance of this downtrend here for the very first time, and they were managing to close above, because here we were breaking above but prices closed below, and now finally we are breaking above and closing above. So that's very special, and it happened for the first time. Whenever this happens, from price action rules, you know, when a trend is broken, prices are retesting the extremes. So if we consider this downtrend here as valid, then we could see a retest of the lows, which are made last year in October. You can find it here at the 3,600 level. And interesting is that this shorter term uptrend here broke and prices retested the highs, and also with this uptrend, this green uptrend here, prices broke the channel and now are retesting the highs. The last highs of this uptrend are here around the 4,140 level. So if prices manage to come up here and retesting the highs and maybe make new highs, then also this channel here could be played out for sure, if you consider that this break and retest of the highs was not enough yet. All in all, it's a different and very difficult market environment, because I'm sure if you saw the chart last week, it was very hard trading. I want to check with you the news calendar for the coming week, because there's some very high impact news coming up next week. First, you can see here on Monday there's no important event, but on Tuesday we have the first red event, and these are the consumer confidence. You can see it here. It's the conference board. I think there's not too much importance, even though the Fed could see this as measurement, how consumers are buying products. But the very important news from this week is clearly on Wednesday, because there we have the FOMC statement and the federal funds rate. It's expected that the Fed will increase the rate for another 2.5 basis points. So this news is happening at 2 in the afternoon. So basically at the close, be careful. Many times you will see, like during the trading day, when there's a high impact news, especially the Fed interest rate, that prices are ranging. There's not much action. So stay out of the trades, not only like half an hour, what we say always when there's a high impact news, but try to be flat at least, I don't know, like 1, 2, maybe even 3 hours. It really depends on how the markets are and how they behave. But usually what I can say from experience, that during the Fed interest rate hike and the FOMC statement, markets are pretty much like ranging, or there's no clear price action during that time. Yeah, another important news on Friday, this is the unemployment rate. But really this week focus should be the Fed interest rate. And I opened you this countdown here. You can see it's like 3 days, 7 hours left until the meeting. And also you can see here on the chart the chances of the rate hike, and there is like a 98.4% chance that the Fed will rise the rate for another 0.25 basis point, so quarter point. From the probabilities, you can see it here as well. So this is the 1st of February, and yeah, this is the current level, and there is a 98% chance that we will see a rate hike of 0.25%. And after that, specialists see that there will be only one more 0.25 basis point rate hike, and after that there will be a pivot. But yeah, let's see. This depends a lot on inflation data and also on yeah, the unemployment rate. So that will be interesting. Stay out of the markets around this time on Wednesday, 2 o'clock. And yeah, that's it for this week. There's nothing else. I think you can see the high impact news here. Keep an eye on that. This is the Forex Factory calendar, so check it out yourself. Or if you have the news indicator in Ninjatrader, you can check it there as well. So yeah, I wish you a great trading week and good trades to you.